geoFrame 4.5 TK1 and IESX size DV now include the Post Classes GeoBodies dialog available under the Post menu. As a key enhancement to the seismic interpretation workflows, the new Post Classes GeoBodies mode enables the blending of multiple seismic classes. Class information can be utilized as components in a fully integrated interpretation workflow for further structural delineation of potential reservoirs. In Size DV, select a domain and an inline, crossline, or time slice, as well as a survey and a primary seismic class of interest via the Select Seismic to Display button. Then select the Post Classes GeoBodies dialog to set up a secondary seismic class for display. For blending of the two seismic classes, use options available under the Secondary tab. Options under this tab are constrained to two fields, Opacity and Select Secondary Class. In the Size 3dV 2dV seismic window area, select and assign a color bar to the primary seismic class. Set the class display to Variable Intensity VI mode via the Display Style button. In the Post Classes GeoBodies dialog, additional seismic classes available in the project are listed in the Select Secondary Class field. Select a secondary class from the field via mouse button 1. Move to the Opacity field and select a color spectrum for your secondary class by using the drop-down menu. To display the secondary class spectra, activate the toggle adjacent to Post Secondary Class. The primary seismic class displays at 100% opacity by default. The secondary class spectra display opacity value may be adjusted by moving the slider bar or manually entering a value in the blue area adjacent to the slider bar and selecting Apply. The ability to adjust the opacity value of the secondary class allows blending of seismic class color spectra to enhance feature delineation in seismic interpretation workflows. Select Variable Intensity Variable Area VIVA display mode in the primary class display. This will display the wiggle traces along with the two blended seismic classes. In Post Class GeoBodies, you may change the secondary seismic class color spectra by using the color bar drop-down list. You may revert to the default color bar selections by using the left-facing arrow. You may update the default color bar settings for the secondary class by selecting the right-facing arrow. Legacy management options for variable area and wiggle trace parameters are still available under Display, Seismic Display Specifications. Opacity settings allow you to control the transparency of a displayed auxiliary seismic class while simultaneously allowing you to visualize details of the primary seismic class. This allows you to visually augment primary seismic class data with spectral and geometric information from both secondary and GeoBody seismic classes. Integration and manipulation of GeoBody seismic classes is discussed in another video. These new display modes may be set up in time or depth domains, inlines, crosslines, and time slices. Project displays may be saved in Size 3dV 2dV bookmarks and saved as IESX sessions from the IESX Session Manager. This video is a demonstration of the new IESX Size 3dV 2dV Post Classes GeoBody display mode included in geoFrame 4.5 TK1. For the equivalent workflow in Charisma applications, refer to the Charisma GeoBody video in conjunction with the GeoViz GeoBody Builder workflow video. For a full list of geoFrame 4.5 TK1 enhancements, refer to this version's release notes document.